5 reasons why your feet are so dry. 1. Exposure. Your sandals are cute, but they expose your feet to the elements. When you come back home, hydrate with sleep-on-it socks. 2. Water. Did you know hot water can dry out your skin? It's important to invest in a good foot moisturizer, like High Dive. 3. Sweating, a major cause of moisture loss and dryness. Don't forget to cleanse and replenish moisture after a workout. 4. Shoes. The wrong footwear can cause blisters and calloused, dry feet. Try Pre-Heals Plus to prevent rubbing and painful blisters. 5. Your routine. Using the wrong foot products can seriously irritate your skin. Try Barefoot Scientist, hypoallergenic, dermatologist-tested foot care for happy feet.